Welcome back to another video. My name's Johnny Insignius, entrepreneur, day trader, and content creator. And at the end of the day, I'm simply following my dreams that I don't have to work for anybody else. So do me a favor, smash that like button. And if you like this content, follow along by subscribing to the channel. All right, let's get into today's video. What's going on, traders? Johnny here, and we just wrapped up our live trading session with our LTE team. If you want to check that out, it is the first link in the description. 100% free lifetime access. But what I wanted to tell you today was that we locked in over 3% profit today, 3% profit yesterday, which puts us at a really nice 6% profit for the week, and it's only Tuesday. My goal is to make 10%, and we are well on our way to doing just that. Let me show you the trade we took. So this morning we traded open, or ticker symbol OPEN, Open Door Technologies, and we actually did a great job by loading up right here at the support level. And as it rose up, I actually missed the opportunity to sell at an all-time high. I waited for the dip, and then we actually sold way up here at 824. So buying down at 8, it was actually a 797 share price average, and selling at 824, locking in just shy of 30 cents per share, which was just a fantastic trade indeed. And we captured it live with our LTE team in the Discord, which, as you can see, from 11.7 to 11.11, we're up 9%, and the overall NASDAQ market is only up 1%. So we're doing great growing this account this week. Which actually brings me to my next point. We're actually on our 5th green day in a row. We had one red day and we only lost 1%. So we're making 2%, 3% consistently every day, and we're making sure that our risk is only about 1% as far as loss. So that is our 5th green day in a row with one red day, and then we had 3 green days before that red day. So we're already up 8 green days for the month of November, and it's only the 11th. So a great start to the month. And I'll show you this real quick as well. Again, between November 7th and November 11th, we have a total of 5 trades. We're at an 80% win rate, which means we had 4 winners and 1 loser. Not bad to start another week in November. Now, to go back to the trade on Open, Open does have the potential to push up even higher, but at the same time, it has more potential to sell off and drop even lower. So what I did was I traded this small little area this morning in the attempt that it would push from 840 up to 850, maybe even $9, and it didn't do that. It got rejected right along the pre-market resistance. So this does have potential to drop even lower, as even yesterday on Monday, it was as low as $6. And if I push back even a little further, it was as low as $4.77 on Friday. So huge opportunity for this to pull back even more than it does have an opportunity to push up. And that's why I went ahead and locked in profits today and made some decent money, over 3%. Check it out in our live stream. Also, I just finished editing a video from this last couple of days, day in the life of a day trader at 30. So definitely subscribe to the channel. That video will be coming out. Well, it's probably already out, as this will be a video for after that. But I wanted to show you that it is right here, day in the life of a day trader. We also have some other great videos that you can check out. They are all out and ready to be watched by you. So definitely check those out when you have the time. Johnny Trades on YouTube. Check out beautiful Phoenix, Arizona. That is going to be somewhere where we plan on moving. I want to live in one of these buildings right here, and that's going to happen. We're going to make it possible by trading. Now it is 9:07 on November 11th. We already made our money for the day, and we're going to go on a walk. And we're taking the wife along, as always. It's a little cold outside. It is November in, of course, New Mexico / Colorado. I'm right on that state line. So we're going to dress warm, get out there, come back, have some breakfast. Already had my 2 cups of coffee with the Learn to Earn team. And again, if you guys want to check that out, it is the first link in the description. 100% free lifetime access. That is the only place you can watch me trade live in the morning. So definitely check it out. All right, time for our morning walk. Got my girlie driving us, and we're gonna go get at least a mile in before, what, 10 o'clock? It's like 9 something right now. Park the car, now it's time to go walking. So here's my point of view walking on this track. Look at all those leaves. There's like a ton of leaves. I'm gonna go step on them and see if they crunch. The anticipation for the crunchiness is coming. A little crunchy. Thought they'd be crunchier.
Yeah, they're too small.
So the way you do anything is the way you should do everything. And I'm talking about the days that you don't feel good. Are you still showing up and doing what you need to do? It's easy to show up and perform and go through the motions when you feel good and you got a great motivation. You maybe even have good discipline. But what about the days when you don't feel good? What about the days when you're sick and you're tired? Do you still go through the motions? Do you still perform to the best of your ability? Because I know I have been doing that lately. Now in the past, I wasn't. If I was tired, I just didn't trade. If I didn't feel good, I didn't go for a walk. But now, it's all about just doing it every single day with your systems that you have in place to get to the goals that you want to achieve. Okay, remember that. So it's time to get back on that walk. Gotta grab my camera. And I gotta catch up to my wifey. Look at her, she's way over there. She's way over there. I gotta go catch up to her. Well, how else did you think I was gonna catch up to her? I gotta run. Woo, feels good. Feels good to be running. If you guys remember, I hurt my knee about, what, 2 months ago? Almost 3, back in August. And I hurt my knee, and I haven't been able to run. I've actually been just walking and recovering, stretching. Feels good today. A little sore in the front, but overall not bad. And look, we're almost there. We almost caught up to her. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, 1 mile walk completed around the track. Easy on the joints. Now it's time to stretch. You kicking your balls at me. You get the point. You don't want to watch me stretch for 10 minutes. All right, walk is finished. Stretches are done. Now it's time to get home and make some breakfast and then go see what we do from there. Breakfast of champions, some frosted mini wheats, some almond milk, and there we go. All right, I'm gonna get this bowl of cereal down and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. Take a shower and maybe go edit some more videos, go find some more stuff to record and talk to you guys about. So follow along, smash that subscribe button. All right, today's the day that I'm gonna shave. Let's get all this off and you'll be able to see me all clean cut. I've literally been shaving since I was 16. It's that Spaniard blood in me. There it is. Nice and clean. All right, time to shower. See where the day takes us after that. Time to get that workout in, guys. 50 lunges and 50 bicep curls today. That's what we got on the agenda for our workout. Let's go.